It's my old personal snowblower. Did not get it for free. And I got it somewhere back in like 2010. The time has come. Because I have upgraded to the lazy man's way of blowing snow. But more on that Husky later. We need to clean this, change the oil, and do something about the pull cord. I did run the engine to warm the oil up. There you go. This is not coffee. Center of the string's good, but then it gets all yucky. Uh-huh. Yes. There. Tire knot. Put it back on. Here's how you know if things are tuned properly. Let's give her a bag. That's very important with a snowblower. There is no air filter. So you very well could get water into the carburetor. I'm turning my choke on. What you do, it's up to you. Ran out of gas. Put it in, flip your switch, push down, and you got yourself gas. So now we just let it sit about 5 minutes. So that's about it for this guy. Paid $7.59 plus tax. Got a good decade, probably almost 15 years of good use out of this machine. Let's see what it sells for today. It's all in a day's work.